Check out who's back, baby. A day later, she's already fixed. So the problem was we just didn't flush out the cooling system properly, and there was no coolant in the system. There's coolant in the like reservoir, I guess, but there just wasn't any in the system. So yeah, she runs and she don't get hot anymore. I drove her for like an hour-ish today and she was perfectly fine. Look guys, no more overheating problem. And now I can finally work on a fucking car. So guys, get ready for the car mods. I actually ordered the tires. They're on their way right now. Next day, drove her around for a little bit last night. We're gonna wash her, and we're also going to do a little mod that I was planning to do before she broke. Put the Mitsubishi emblem on there. I have it right here, actually. So, this is what it would look like if it focuses. There you go. So, this is the emblem that we are going to be installing today. It was like, honestly, like a cheap ass fucking like piece of plastic that was kind of stuck on there. We still got the goo gone, boys. So we'll be spraying this, wiping it down, then I will take the car out for a wash, and then once I get back, then we'll install the badge. Such a beautiful day out today, which is weird because it was snowing like a week ago. We're going to be spraying the goo gone on top of this area. There's a little bit of adhesive left over. I'm not even sure if I can get it all off, but I'm gonna spray this. I've been trying this for a fucking long time now. I'm gonna keep trying off camera. This is a fucking bitch. Check it out. We got all the adhesive off. 10 minutes later, me scrubbing really hard, plus using this multi-tool blade to kind of scratch it off. I was very careful. All the paint damage that you see was already there, I promise you. I caused none of it. Now we're gonna get the car a nice wash, then we'll come back here and install the badge. Alright guys, she's all clean now. And I wiped down the area where the emblem is. So now it's time to put on the new one right here. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. I think I can do it. I think I got it. Come on, bitch. Motherfucker. Why do my hands look so wrinkly on camera? There we go. Here it is, boys. It's gonna look clean. Check it out. Gonna look sweet on here. I'm gonna have to use two hands, so I'm gonna do this off camera. I'll update you guys once I have it on. We got it on there. Check it out. It looks absolutely sick on there. Looks legit. Now, once I get that carbon fiber hood, then we got the carbon fiber in there, matching with that. I think it's gonna look sweet. Also, once these wheels get on here, we should be good. And then from there on, the exterior will start to actually look pretty decent from there. I'm just waiting on my tires right now. I ordered Nitto Neogen tires. Also, tomorrow, I have a little something planned for this car as well. So I will catch you guys next time. Peace.